What's up, guys? You are now able to update your address on the IRS website using the online portal. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how you can do that step by step. And if you're new to the channel, hi, my name is Josh and I upload videos every week about all things related to your finances. So if you care about your financial future and you care about your money, go ahead and click that red subscribe button until it turns gray, and that way you don't miss anything. So the IRS launched a new feature allowing families to easily update their mailing address using the Child Tax Credit Update portal. To have the change to take effect by September, you will need to do this before midnight Eastern Time on Monday, August the 30th. So if you change your mailing address using the Child Tax Credit Update portal, the IRS will now use this updated address for all future IRS correspondence. So this address change feature is not only helpful for now to get your money for the child tax credit, however, this will be helpful in the future as well. So there will be no more going back and forth with the post office and the IRS trying to have your mail forward to your present address. And honestly, I'm surprised that this update didn't come sooner. So here's how you can change your address on the portal. First, you want to head on over to the Child Tax Credit Update portal, which I have a link down below. You will need to sign in before you can go ahead and change. And you can do that by clicking right here where it says Manage Advance Payments. So once you click on the Manage Advance Payments and once you signed in, click right here where it says Update your payment method in your profile. Yes, this is also where you can change your direct deposit information too. And from here, go ahead and click that like button if this video is helpful so far. Then go ahead and click Edit on the top right-hand corner. From here, you want to enter your most up-to-date information. And after you enter in all of the information on this form, click where it says Submit. So after you complete those steps, go ahead and click on the share icon down below to share this video with your families and friends and make sure that they're up to date on their IRS information, and be sure to tell them how easy this was after watching this video. And later this year, families will also be able to use the Update Tool portal to add and remove children in most situations, report changes in marital status, and also to report significant change in income. And you don't want to miss any of those updates, so be sure that you subscribe by clicking the icon right here. Check out my wife's channel too, it's on here. And check out the top video right over there where I show you how you can check the status of your IRS child tax credit. And I will see you in the next video.